We got another killer car here, 1969 Plymouth GTX, professional rotisserie restored, full custom chassis and brakes, Ray Barton Hemi engine under the hood, air conditioned, a Kiesler 5-speed, a custom interior, Viper red paint. It's killer. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the price tag on this one and 200 other classic cars that are all for sale, and each one is a monthly payment with it as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this was stripped down to a bare shell. It was E-coated. That's a process where they dip it in a tank and it's somehow electrically charged and coated. So the coating got everywhere. This is professionally done. All absolutely straight metal, laser beam straight. It's a red mirror. I'm looking at that door. It is a red mirror. There's not a ripple. There's no orange peel. There's no fuzziness. The gaps are spot on. Shuts nice and solid. No vinyl top, just all bright red. The lines are straight, all looking really good. Like I said, Viper red, that's one of the brightest reds that I've seen. And it's polished slick, all beautiful. And then you have the black at the bottom. That's, I believe, the way all the GTXs came at that time. And you got the trim, all nice and straight. But back to the body and paint, it's phenomenal. There's no rust, no bubbles down there. Shuts nice. All this is looking really good. Has the matte black painted on stripes with the red accents in there. Hemi emblems. Okay, we're coming around to the front. That's a show chrome bumper. There's no fuzziness. It's like a mirror. I'm going to say, I think that's a custom grill. Pretty sure it is. Has the silver in there like it's supposed to. That's all looking really good. The glass windshield at least looks new. It has mirrors on both sides, very nice shape. A few little freckles on the frame here, but real nice and shiny. It's a power antenna. Upgraded with the modern Magnum 500 wheels. Those are billet aluminum, 18-inch, polished. Door handles are new. GTX emblems look new. All the stainless trim is polished real nice. Good original rear window. A few light scratches. Better than average. Now coming around to the back, the tail lights look new. Bumpers show quality. The tail panel piece is restored very nicely. So slick, slick interior or exterior. Now let's check out the interior. I think my glasses are automatically darkening because the paint is so bright. So underneath the trunk lid, painted bright. Jam is nice and clean. Weather strip is replaced. Now inside it's all clean metal with a very neat spatter finish coating on there. Now make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when these videos are posted. We're really getting better and better cars in here every day. So jams were all painted because remember, this car was dipped. Every inch of it was finished and painted. It was flipped on a rotisserie. So the jams are slick. Weather strips are new. Now you're starting to see the custom interior. They're custom made door panels with the alcantara suede material with GTX embroidered into it. Got a little bit of custom trim here. The rest of this is pretty much clean, original. That's the miles since it's been done, 1,353. Has a tachometer, custom stereo. Here's more of the custom trim. Got some kick panel speakers. You got air conditioned vents neatly installed under the dash. Good original console with the big old long Hirsch shifter. More of that, seats are all rebuilt, recushioned. More of that suede material with red piping. You have shoulder belts, retractable shoulder belts for in front, new seat belts in back. All of the matching same upholstery, all restored. Looks like leather in the middle. Same on the side panels, all redone to match. The rear shelf looks nice and clean, and the headliner was replaced. Dome light works. Looks like the original visors. Original steering wheel in good shape. So yeah, pretty nice custom interior. Yeah, who doesn't want a Hemi? So it's a Ray Barton 472 cubic inch. We'll have the horsepower posted on our website, but this is a drivable Hemi. It's 9-to-1 compression. Has all good parts in there. You know, double roller timing chain, high volume oil pump, MSD ignition, aluminum intake under there. The crinkle finish valve covers, just like the original. You can see the engine bay. Like I said, every inch of the metal is all prepped and painted. This is the washer bottle, I believe. Nice horns. Big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Has a true track front runner system, all billet, nice pulleys, brackets, little mini AC compressor, polished alternator, modern power steering. It's all run by a serpentine belt. This is the power steering reservoir right there. Power brakes, restored wiper motor. So yeah, the big old Hemi with air conditioning and a stick shift. Michael's going to go demonstrate it. See you in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, got a really quick little car here today. The GTX with the Ray Barton 472 Hemi in there. Rated at 525 horsepower. And then we got the 5-speed manual here on the Hurst long throw shifter. That is very nostalgic and very cool. Totally digging it. Very nice custom interior too. It's got a very soft kind of like cloth inserts here. The seats are nice and firm. They got very good cushion to them, and that's all very fresh feeling. And I did notice that the back seat had seat belts in it too. So if you want to go cruising with the whole family, that's an option for you. And yeah, just check out the idle for a second. Nice and clean, consistent. And now let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Let's kick it up into 5th here. That was a lot of fun. Let's see here, we're doing, looks like 55 miles an hour and about 1,500 RPMs on these gauges here. Let's see how she goes down the road. Awesome alignment there, very nice. Set up beautifully. You know, it does got a lot going on underneath. Tubular control arms, adjustable coilovers. The list just goes on and on. Definitely check it out on our website. 8 3/4 inch rear end. The underside of this thing is just super clean. It does have power steering. It does have 4-wheel disc brakes, Willwood calipers. Yeah, she took off. Wants to run. This is a healthy motor. Runs great, sounds fantastic. Very exhilarating ride. So our shop went over this car top to bottom. It was extremely dialed in when we purchased it. We had a very, very short list of things to repair on it. We only spent about $400 doing that. So if you need a full, all the details about that, just go on our website and the list is there for it. But just great vehicle, runs better than great. I love it. Come test drive it yourself. Feel the rush that I just did. It's a great ride. Just contact our sales department first and let them know you're coming out. Give us about a day's notice. All the cars are in a museum setting and we need time to move the cars around. So yeah, but other than that, great vehicle. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So underneath's very impressive too, one of the highlights of the car. So again, on a rotisserie, completely stripped. The floors are all pristine metal. They welded in some substantial frame rails front to back to keep it from twisting. It's all welded right into the floors. It looks like Chrysler put them there. And then the whole bottom of the car was sprayed with the chip guard paint, but it's color matched. So it's all red, but it has the rubberized chip guard paint. That's a dual quad, by the way, under that air cleaner. All upgraded suspension up front, all new unit. The cross member, rack and pinion steering, coil-over adjustable gas shocks, tubular control arms, 4-link system in the back with tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks, Willwood disc brakes at all 4 wheels are drilled and slotted, custom e-brake assembly, all new fuel system, all the lines are replaced, X-pipe in the middle for the exhaust with Dynamax mufflers. They come all the way out the back with the right tips on it. Look up at the motor, extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. It's a Kiesler transmission. They sell the whole package, the shifter, the clutch, everything. It's a hydraulic clutch. It's a Tremec 5-speed trans. Rebuilt drive shaft goes back to an 8 3/4 rear end with sure grip posi gears in it. So yeah, this thing's a beast. It's a cool car, but it's a beast that you can drive. That 5th gear, it's an overdrive. You're going down the road in that 5th gear, the RPMs drop down, put the air on, but you want to get on it, you better hold on. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.